systematic error due to common method, systematic error due to a different unrelated related or unrelated trait, or unrelated specific method factor, and so on. How do you determine between what's true score, what's the true response, and what's the method? And that's all of this, and there are some, analysis techniques as well, where you can model the method separately and so on. But, it's really the entire discussion. That's the question, right? How do you know that, the outcome of your hypothesis is true, or is it showing because of method? And it could show either way. You could not get support for your hypothesis because of a method issue, and that's what all of this is about. And, again, thinking about, different methods, common traits and so on when you're measuring two different things. And then it goes on to look at the relationship between generic random error within and across administration and within measure, correlational error and so on, and how that impacts a number of different relationships between variables. In this case, it's the same measure, multiple items across time. And then it also looks at how random and systematic error are caught with our procedures, internal consistency test, retest, and so on. And of course, it's like, this is what led to me thinking, but why? And it keeps going and going. And then what are the procedures? What's the type of measurement? And what are the types of measurement error implicated and so on? So these are some of the chapters. And then it gets into how to identify different types of things. And at the end of it, as I said, it's like, okay, I can understand chapter 2. All right, chapter 3. But did you have to write chapter 4 and chapter 5 and chapter 6 and get into this at this level of granularity? And that's what, begged the question, why?